everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, news has been circulating on social media that Andile Mpisane dumped Taylor because of their second born questionable paternity. This morning Mamkhize took it to her Instagram page and shared the opposite of what I've been said. Hands off my grandchildren. I had such an amazing time with my grandchildren this past weekend. As a parent, I think it is important that we protect our kids from unnecessary or premature exposure. These are kids, guys, and let not rob them their innocence by involving them in the cruelty and the harsh realities of this world. I would also like to request everyone to please respect the family decision to keep the kids away from social media. Thanking you in advance. Hashtag Mamkhize, hashtag Mamkhize, hashtag my world, my rules. Guys, Mamkhize just confirmed by sharing their picture ukuthi both of Stelo's children belong to Mamkhize's family. They belong to her son Andile. She was with them last week. She shared their picture and she hid them little one because of her age, I assume. Mamkhize, guys, further requested everyone to respect the family decision of keeping kids away from social media. Do you think she is hiding something? Well, I don't think so. Do leave your comment below and share your